In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Whop community price. If you need to update the price of a community product in Whop, the process is very straightforward, and in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can make the change quickly and confidently. Start by opening your Whop dashboard. This is the main area where you manage your business, products, and settings. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Products section and click on it. This will take you to the page where all of your available products are listed. After the products page loads, find the specific community product whose price you want to change. On that product card or row, click the three-dot menu. This menu usually contains additional actions related to that product, so if you don't immediately see an edit button on the main screen, this is where you'll access it. From the menu that opens, click on Edit. This will bring you into the product editing view, where you can update key details for that listing. Take a moment here to make sure you're editing the correct product before changing anything, especially if you manage multiple offers or communities inside the same account. Once you're in the edit screen, locate the pricing field and enter the new price you want to use. Be careful to type the amount correctly, since this is what customers will see when they visit your product page. It's also a good idea to quickly review the format of the price before saving, just to make sure everything looks the way you expect. After you've entered the new amount, click Save Product. This is the final step that applies your pricing update. If you leave the page without saving, the change may not be kept. So make sure you complete this step before closing the tab or navigating away. And that's it. To change a Whop community price, you simply go to your dashboard, open Products, click the three dots on the product you want to update, choose Edit, enter the new price, and then save the product. If you're making frequent pricing adjustments, it can help to double check the product after saving so you can confirm the update appears correctly in your dashboard. That way, you can be sure your community is showing the price you intended. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you update your Whop community price quickly and easily.